Today we're gonna be replacing Cartridge on Moen 1222 or 1222B. They're both identical. One is sold in bulk, one is sold in single, but the parts are the same. So what's happening now, when you close the faucet to off position on the shower, it still keeps tripping. You have to kind of play with the handle to find that off position, and this is the problem. So this is the original part. We're gonna go with that and replace it. So water shut down. Shut the water off. Now remove the handle. The handles might vary from style. You might have a handle, you might have a dial. This one is, screw is pretty long. And you're just gonna pull this straight back. Alright, now that the handle is off, this chrome piece comes off. I have this locking pin here. I'm gonna use pliers and wiggle it out, and then we'll work pulling this out. Just remember, I turned the handle all the way to open, and that's how we're gonna install this one. And when you put the new one, make sure hot is on the left, cold is on the right. Alright, so that's all it is. This comes out. Now we're gonna wiggle the whole thing out. So this comes with a new, basically slide this over and then use your pliers to wiggle it. Just keep wiggling until it's loose. And then we're gonna pull it out. Now that you can see it move. So we did break the seal. See how it's moving? And then I'm gonna take this off and pull that out. It's hard to do it with one hand. Might have some water coming out. Not bad, some of them are pretty rusted. This one's not bad. I'm gonna shine some light in there just to see there's no rubber pieces or something left behind. Now on your new part, you're gonna lubricate the rubber pieces, gaskets, with the lube that came with it. Gonna make sure hot is on the left, cold is on the right, and that's how you're gonna slide it in. Use the pliers to push in slowly till it locks in, and use that pin to lock back in place, and then put your chrome piece over. You're basically reversing everything. And you're gonna install this also for your temperature adjustment. Put the handle back. Now turn your water back on. Test for leaks. Give yourself high five. And this is warranty card from the factory that you can get this same part for free. Mail it to you. Give them a call. Good luck.